We have done over the last decade many studies testing the behavior of animals in natural disaster areas before, during, and after these disasters strike. And what we found was actually that these animals seem to anticipate major earthquake shocks above magnitude 4 or so. They go crazy as a group hours before that time. But this gives us, or could give us, a pretty good warning about earthquakes. But it's really important to understand what these animals do before, during, and after to have a real analysis of what's happening. The videos that I've seen with the birds congregating on trees, this is something that does happen during winter. So that's not necessarily an anticipation of an earthquake. A dog howling in front of a house also happens. We would have to have information on that dog throughout the previous time periods to see if that is completely odd, and then also probably have at least another 20 or 50 dogs that do the same thing. In the future, this kind of research, this kind of analysis can be done, but up to now, it's impossible to say if this was chance or not.